When it comes to personality traits, we don't say one personality is better than any other personality. It's simply that if you are aware of who you are, you have a better chance of facing things in a more informed manner. Let's say if you're an introvert and you have to continuously be in social settings, then you know how to handle yourself. And that's the main importance of understanding your personality. But when it comes to traits, there are some key things that are really vital in today's world of work. One thing is called resiliency. People need to be resilient in today's world of work. And what does that mean? Be adaptable. Be able to take your own initiative. Balance your mental health. Learn. Keep learning. And this resiliency is valued in all countries, in all sectors. Second thing, creativity. You need to be able to create, be innovative, and not always go with the norm, because people value creativity, and creativity is not something that can be replicated by machines. And your human creativity has a huge value and huge potential. 2 traits that you can keep.